I caught every side on fire. Both sides lit on fire. The car caught fire 3 times, and the passenger side was the last side I did, so that would have been...
That's because why your seatbelt don't work. Ah, fucking stupid fire extinguisher, fucking foam.
Why don't you explain to the folks what you're doing, mate? Why are you vacuuming?
I'm vacuuming up all the foam that the previous owners spent. What did they do?
What did they do, Rob?
They sprayed expansion foam to make it watertight.
Expansion foam? Like what they use in...
Some might say, but wait, you use expansion foam for houses.
Yeah.
Correct, not cars.
I did sleep in this car once or twice.
Carbon fibre?
Carbon fibre. Apprentice at work, apprentice at home.
So if I'm an apprentice, but am I also like head apprentice?
Yeah. You're the master of apprenticeships.
Yeah. That's what sprayed him all in my face. I don't like how the previous owner bashed this side. That doesn't matter.
He who must not be named.
Big fire! Mega flame. That was a shit rolled off.
Oi. Mega flame.
What I'm doing here is there's a huge crease
Yeah.
that runs along there, and it's sucking in a shit ton of metal.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to do is just release the crease with these, and stretching
Like that.
Yeah, stretching that crease out. And it should give me like another mil or so.
Hey Rob, did I ever tell you you're a genius?
No.
Me. Yes, I have.
Tell me again.
You're a genius.
Who's that? I'm not Albert,
Albert Einstein.
but I fucked his daughter.
Who's...
So that's how I became a genius.
Who fucked his daughter? You fucked his daughter, so you became the genius.
Yeah.
I'm really curious to your logic on things. I don't think that's how it works. Did you absorb her DNA, her mental capacity?
So,
So that means you've also got Asperger's too, because I'm pretty sure Einstein had Asperger's.
did you just witness that?
I did, that was fucking mad.
See, I just came out like another
Yeah.
two.
I love how you hit it, and every time you hit it, a little pit just... You're a madman.
I'm a man, man. Maresi. Is that here? Fuck this stupid fucking again.
Jesus. The fucking seat doesn't help. Watch your tits. Do you want some gum? What? Do you want some gum?
Is it old?
It's been in here for a year.
I'll pass. Thank you.
Do you want Richard's pawpaw cream? Do you want a JVC cassette tape to record your home videos on?
Ready, Goose?
I'm ready, Maverick. I'm ready, Biff. I'm ready, Doc.
I'm Marty.
You're Marty. I'm Doc, I guess.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you be Doc?
You're Jennifer.
Wouldn't you? Wait. Hold up. Stop. Jennifer from Back to the Future 1 or Jennifer from Back to the Future 2 and 3?
Wait, did they change?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
You didn't know?
No?
So, you know the scene at the end of Back to the Future 1 where he opens the garage and he's got the Hilux?
Yeah.
And then Doc comes?
Yeah.
And then that's the same scene at the beginning of Back to the Future 2?
2, yeah.
They redid the whole scene. The only footage that's the same is when his parents are looking out from the screen door and they walk away.
Yeah.
And then when Doc hits the bins.
Gotcha. But Jennifer stays the same or she changes?
They redid the whole scene with the new Jennifer.
Wow. I did not know that.
Go watch the Back to the Future 1 and 2.
Jennifer would be a bit older.
Go watch Back to the Future 1 and 2.
Yeah.
And you'll see that Jennifer is a hottie to a naughty.
Really? Because I thought she was a hottie.
Because everyone watched Back to the Future 1. But it's like, what's that called again? The effect,
Perception?
no. We had, anyhow, because you thought she was a hottie in the original movie.
So you continue to
Because you think she's a hottie in the second movie.
But she is a hottie in the second movie.
No, she's not.
Compared to?
No, because you thought she was a hottie in the first movie, so you just think she's still that same hottie because they look similar.
But is it a completely different actor?
It's a completely different actress.
Stop it. My mind's just been...
It's not even the same actress.
So it's not even Jennifer?
It's Jennifer, but not Jennifer.
No.
Yep.
My childhood's ruined.
If you're interested in Back to the Future,
I should have known that.
yeah. No, I was talking to the viewers.
There you go.
I was talking to our 50 subscribers.
Now you know. Back to welding.
Alright, hold it.